Hey guys, today we're going to recharge the AC on this John Deere 5115M tractor. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. I'll also have affiliate links in the description below. Okay, first thing we're going to do is start the tractor up. Then we need to turn our AC on, turn our blower to the coldest setting, and then we're going to turn our blower all the way up. So we got our AC on, all the way as cold as it'll go, blower speed on high. Now right here is our low pressure port, so we're going to take this black cap off, set that somewhere safe. We're going to take our ReCharge tool, got one of these linked in the description. We're just going to take that and push it on there. You'll feel it kind of snap on, just like that. You can see this system is reading pretty good. It's doing what you want it to do. You just want to see that needle at a steady spot right there. What you're going to do to fill it is just squeeze and hold the trigger. Oscillate the can between 3 and 12 o'clock every few seconds. Now if your system is low, well, first of all, what you're going to do to just check the pressure is you just leave your finger off the trigger and then see what the needle's doing here. You can get a pressure reading. When you squeeze the trigger, the needle will drop. So if your system is low, what you're going to see is that your needle will kind of drop down and then pop back up, and it's going to keep moving around. You want to see it just fill just solid right there, not moving, in the green. And that's pretty much all there is to it. You just fill it up until it starts reading like that, where it's just a steady needle right there in the green. That's all there is to it. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and feel free to check out those affiliate links in the description below. Have a good one, guys.